Hello friends, today we're going to look at how to reference a blog post in the Harvard style. To do so successfully, you are going to need 7 core components, and the first part of that is some kind of authorship. So you're looking for a family name followed by an initial, and then you'll need a date. So the date that the post was last updated perhaps, or it was published, and that's going to be in brackets. Following that, and in single quotation marks, you will need the title of the message, followed by the title of the internet site, and that information will be in italics. Next up, we have the day or the month of the posted message, and then we move on to putting the information at where you found that blog post. So available at, colon, and then copy and paste the web address in. And finally, and enclosed in brackets, you will have accessed, colon, and the date that you last accessed that information. And that's all you need to create a successful entry for your reference list in the Harvard style. Do check out the description below for a template of the blog post entry so that you can copy and paste that into your work. And whilst you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment if you have any other questions.